Hi, welcome to CFISD 360, the show where we give you the best news and sports stories and also take you on a 360 tour of the district. Today we come to you from the CFISD Visual Performing Arts Center, where we are celebrating the dedication of the Dr. Mark Henry Administration Building, named after our Superintendent of Schools, Dr. Mark Henry.
Special day to be here to see Dr. Henry honored this way and to be able to kind of see the Visual and Performing Arts Center and just really this whole complex and to know that it's going to bear his name.
The exciting day was commemorated by student performances and a viewing of his dedication video and a tour of the building. Swenke Elementary School installs the district's first all-inclusive playground.
An inclusive playground allows for your children in a wheelchair, different physical difficulties to be able to access all the same things that our general ed students can do.
The new large playground area features a soft cushion rubberized surface which helps prevent injuries and a wheelchair ramp connected directly to the hardtop of a buddy swing, which allows students with special needs to swing with a partner. September is Suicide Prevention Month. You are not alone. CFISD has help and available resources.
The American Foundation for Suicide Prevention recognizes the entire month of September as National Suicide Prevention Month. And it's an opportunity for us to come together to rally and to have conversations on how you can play a role in saving a life.
Time now to go beyond the score with CFISD Sports.
Thanks, Chris. We've had a great start to the fall athletic season in CFISD. Check out some of the best moments so far. For the past 43 years, Butch Milks has been the longtime stadium announcer for the Cypress-Fairbanks High School Bobcats. CFISD and the Cypress-Fairbanks community honored Milks on September 1st during a surprise halftime ceremony as the Bobcats were facing Cypress Park High School at Pridgeon Stadium.
I want to tell you, this is one of the most emotional nights I think I've ever had. I totally was a surprise to me. Tremendous honor, and I appreciate it. This is a wonderful district that I've loved for all the 50 years we've lived in this area.
That does it for this edition of CFISD 360. Thank you for joining us as we show how CFISD is bringing out the best.